I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the continuation of lesson 4. This is of class 3. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus, Cordova Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the remaining part of the story. Answer orally. Who was Ram Prasad? Ram Prasad was the hairstylist of the Amazing Zoo. Tick the correct answer. All the animals in the Amazing Zoo lived dash. A. Peacefully, B. Angrily, C. Furiously. It is A. Peacefully. Number 2. The bear wanted a dash. A. Head massage, B. Haircut, C. Hairstyle. It is A. Head massage. Number 3. The lady giraffe had to attend the dash birthday party. A. Lions, B. Monkeys, C. Penguins. It is C. Penguins. Number 4. The monkey took the dash and hid them behind his back. The monkey took the A. Towel, B. Scissors, C. Comb. It is B. Scissors. Now, number the following sentences in the order in which they appear in the story. Ram Prasad reached the lady giraffe's house. The baby elephant picked up the tin box and handed it to Ram Prasad. The lion caught hold of Ram Prasad. Ram Prasad took out his diary to see who was next. Ram Prasad had a set timetable. First one is Ram Prasad had a set timetable. Second one is the baby elephant picked up the tin box and handed it to Ram Prasad. Third one is Ram Prasad took out his diary to see who was next. Fourth one, Ram Prasad reached the lady giraffe's house. Fifth one, the lion caught hold of Ram Prasad. Next one, read and answer the following questions. Who did Ram Prasad visit on Wednesdays? Ram Prasad visited the lion, giraffe, bear, elephant and the monkey on Wednesdays. Number 2. What did Ram Prasad have in his box? Ram Prasad had scissors, combs and towels in his box. Number 3. What did the bear want? The bear wanted a head massage. Number 4. Why did the lion want his mane to be trimmed? The lion wanted his mane to be trimmed as there was a family function in which he wanted to look good. Number 5. What made the lion angry? The lion was angry to see that the monkey had nicked his baby's tail. Number 6. What did the lion explain to the monkey at the end? The lion explained to the monkey that our actions and our jokes should be such that we don't hurt anybody. Next, a reference to context. Read the sentence and answer the questions that follow. Sir, lion. He is a small foolish animal. Identify the speaker. Ram Prasad is the speaker. B. Who is referred to as he here? The monkey is referred to as he here. Number C. Why did the speaker say so? Ram Prasad says so as he feels pity for the monkey when he sees the lion grabbing him in anger. D. What happens next? The lion leaves the monkey and makes him realize his mistake. Next is Hott's question. The monkey realized his mistake and became the most well-behaved animal in the Amazing Zoo. Do you think this change will make the monkey a better animal? Give reason to support your answer. Surely there will be a change in the monkey. He must have valued the chance of being spared by the lion and also what the lion told him. The change in the monkey will make him a better animal. He would not trouble other animals anymore. Now, next is should or should not. Tanya's grandmother is very caring. She always suggests to Tanya what to do. and what not to do. Now, use the groups of words in column A for grandmother and words in column B for Tanya and have a conversation. Once it is done, reverse the roles. Replace the words in red with the words in the columns. Examples: you should drink milk. Yes, I know. It is good for health. You should not eat junk food. Yes, I know. It is bad for health. Column A. Leave the door open. You should not leave the door open. Column B. Yes, I know. It is not safe. Exercise regularly. You should exercise regularly. Yes, I know. It will keep me healthy. Put on a sweater. You should put on a sweater. Yes, I know. It is cold outside. Pull the puppy's tail. You should not pull the puppy's tail. Yes, I know. It will bite me. Shout in the class. You should not shout in the class. Yes, I know. Teacher will get angry. Now, repeat after the expect the vowel sound O as in born. Orbit, organ, always, walk, not, thought, fall, all, short, talk, form, torch. Grammar. Question words: what, where, when, who. Read the sentence. What did the elephant tell Ramprasad? Where does Ramprasad go? When does Ramprasad go to the lion's house? Who has a tin box? The highlighted words are called question words, that is, what, where, when, and who. These words are used to ask questions. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Now use what, where, who, or when to fill in the blanks. Baby elephant. Who is inside the house? Giraffe. It is me, Giraffe. Baby elephant. When did you come in? Giraffe. I came in when you went out for a haircut. Baby elephant. Where do you live? Giraffe. I live next to the lion's house. Baby elephant. What do you want to do now? Giraffe. I want to play with you. Now question words why and how. Why and how are also question words. Examples: how do you spend your free time? Why are you sitting here? Now use how or why to complete the given dialogue. Sumit. Why are you standing here? Vishnu. I missed my bus. Sumit. How do you plan to reach school on time? Vishnu. I think I'll run and reach in time. Sumit. Why don't you take an auto? Vishnu. I have no money. Sumit. Why don't you come in my car? I am also going to school. Vishnu. But how do I sit in your car? There are already 4 people in it. Sumit. Don't worry. We'll adjust. Vishnu. That's a good idea. Thank you, Sumit. Now, Richa visited the Taj Mahal with her mother and father. She didn't know anything about this beautiful wonder. She asked her father a few questions about it. Now, frame 5 questions that Richa would have asked her father. One is done for you. Do not forget to use the question words. Who built the Taj Mahal? The next, where is it situated? When was it built? How long did it take to be built? Why was it built? Now, antonyms. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite of a word. Color the antonym pairs given alongside. Use the same color for each pair of antonyms. Now fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words in red. In the story, the crow was foolish, but the owl was wise. The opposite of foolish is wise. Number 2. I thought he was honest, but he turned out to be dishonest. Number 3. Sheila found the bangle that she had lost yesterday. Number 4. Anu started slow, but now she is running fast, so she may win the race. Number 5. Above my head is the sky, and below my feet is the earth. Number 6. A truthful person always gets respect, but nobody likes a liar. Now, refer to a dictionary to find the meanings of the words in brackets. Then fill in the blanks with the correct words. Alice threw the glass down and then walked through the tunnel. Number 2. Anil has become very weak after his sickness. He will not come to school this week. It is not fair that a teacher pays the bus fare for all of us. Now punctuate. Write these sentences using capital letters wherever necessary. Mr. Roy has a new car. So Mr. Roy, M should be capital letter. Roy, the name of a person. R should be capital as a new car, full stop. Ravi is my friend. Ravi, R should be capital letter. Is my friend, full stop. Now complete these words by adding TT, LL or RR. First word is shutter, SHUTTER, shutter. Second word is sorrow, SORROW. Third word is swallow, SWALLOW, swallow. Fourth word bottle, BOTTLE. Fifth word spelling, SPELLING. Sixth word hurry, HURRY, hurry. Okay children, I finished taking this grammar section. Hope you understood the grammar. Please revise this. I hope you understood. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel. Now let's meet in the next class. Until then, bye.